In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Illustrator Error Code 36 quickly and safely on Windows. This is a common problem that appears when you try to install or update Adobe Illustrator through the Creative Cloud installer. The installation suddenly fails and displays Error Code 36, which usually means another installation process is interfering with Adobe's installer. The good news is that this issue is usually very easy to fix once you know what's causing it. I'll walk you through several simple solutions step by step, starting with the fastest fixes and then moving to a more advanced troubleshooting method if the error continues. Make sure to follow each step carefully so you can install Illustrator without running into the same problem again. And if this video helps you fix the issue, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's go ahead and start with the first fix. The first thing you should try is simply waiting and then retrying the installation. Error code 36 often appears when another installation process is already running in the background on your computer. For example, Windows might currently be installing system updates, another application could be installing, or the Windows installer service might still be finishing a previous process. When this happens, Adobe Illustrator cannot start its installation because Windows only allows one installer to run at a time. So before doing anything else, give your computer a few minutes to finish any background installations. If you recently installed new software or Windows updates, allow those to fully complete. After waiting a few minutes, open the Adobe Creative Cloud app again and try installing Illustrator one more time. In many cases, the error disappears once the other installation process finishes. If the error still appears, the next solution is to restart your computer. This is actually one of the most reliable ways to fix Error Code 36, because restarting clears any stuck installer processes running in the background. Sometimes the Windows installer service gets stuck even after an installation finishes, and the system still thinks an installer is running. A full restart resets these services and allows new installations to start normally. To do this, simply close the Creative Cloud app, click the Start menu, choose Power, and select Restart. Once your computer boots back up, open the Adobe Creative Cloud application again and attempt to install Illustrator. For many users, this single step immediately resolves the problem. If restarting didn't fix the issue, the next step is to check Task Manager and manually stop any installer processes that might still be running. To open Task Manager, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard at the same time. When Task Manager opens, click on the Processes tab and look through the list for anything named Windows Installer or msixe.exe. These are the processes responsible for handling software installations in Windows. If one of these processes is stuck, it can block Adobe from starting its own installation. If you are certain that no other software is currently installing on your computer, you can select the process and click End Task. This will stop the installer service that may be causing the conflict. After ending the process, close Task Manager, reopen Adobe Creative Cloud, and try installing Illustrator again. If you're still seeing Error Code 36 after trying those fixes, the problem may be caused by corrupted installation records related to Adobe software. In that case, the best solution is to use the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. This is an official utility from Adobe designed to remove broken installation files and reset Creative Cloud components that may be causing problems. To use it, go to Adobe's official website and download the Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. Run the tool as an administrator and follow the on-screen instructions. The program will scan your system for Adobe installation records and allow you to clean up any corrupted entries. Once the cleanup process finishes, restart your computer again and then reinstall Adobe Creative Cloud if needed. After that, try installing Illustrator one more time and the error should be resolved. And that's how to fix Adobe Illustrator Error Code 36 on Windows. In most cases, simply waiting, restarting your computer, or stopping a stuck Windows installer process will solve the problem in just a few minutes. If this video helped you fix the issue, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.